island's hospital and some key governmental agencies have been given a major boost to get the relevant technology solutions required to transition to digital delivery of core services. The public sector modernization program now has $4.4 million to get back on track after COVID, and the signing took place today at government headquarters. Viviana del Carmen Alva Hart, the IDB representative, explained how the money would be used at the island's critical care facility.
And with today's signing, we are expanding these efforts at the QEH. So the financing will provide new computer systems and changes in the functional of the institution, and with obviously appropriate training of personnel. Cybersecurity. This is something very important for us to remark. Cybersecurity and data privacy is an important components, I can say, that the program will prioritize.
Prime Minister Motley has concerns about transforming the health and human resources sectors.
The major hurdle is to be able to make sure that the software that we use in the health information management system is seamless, and that whether it is a private doctor's office, a polyclinic, or the hospital, if Colvin Monsey or Mia Motley goes in, you should be able to pull up Mia Motley's records or Colvin Monsey's records and be able to ensure that we receive the requisite treatment. If we're allergic to something and can't talk, there should be a record there so that there are no mishaps at all in the system.
She says they're seeking to use the cheapest form of financing.
We're seeking to use the cheapest form of financing available to the Government of Barbados in the form of that EU loan, which is, as I said, at 1.4%, which is much less than inflation over the course of time, and therefore you begin to see why we see this as a serious concessional loan.
The European Union ambassador, Malgorzata Wazaluska, is happy to renew the partnership to help the country move forward.
Health systems resilience and digital transformation of health facilities was one of the priorities identified for Barbados, and what we're doing today is a proof that we don't just talk, but we also act. And I'm particularly happy that this also shows that digital transformation, which is important for Barbados, but also it's a priority for EU.
Minister in the Ministry of Finance, Ryan Strawn, Minister in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Sonia Brown, Director of Finance, Ian Carrington, and Central Bank Governor, Dr. Kevin Greenidge, along with other IDB representatives, were present. Wendy Burke, CBC News.